I'm going to bring you as close as possible. I'm using Bombay inks because I want these to be clear. I have turquoise, and this is teal. And then this is aqua. And I have my turtles in their little trinket trays. And I'm simply going to fill up the trays. So my turtles will be under the water, swimming in the ocean. This is my favorite color because it's not particularly dark. And this little turtle is very dark. So that was the teal. And now I'm going to put around the outside, get rid of my stick. Around the edge, I'm going to put the turquoise. See, I need to get my turtles completely submerged in the water. This one it's lovely. Need some more on this one. Okay, I think this one is finished. Bubbles. Those bubbles are going to keep coming back because it's quite deep. And then finally some aqua. Which looks very like the teal, to be honest. And if I need more, I'm just going to add some clear on the top. So this one's covered too, so that one's great. These two have kind of humpbacks, so I'm going to have to use some clear. They are finished, all my turtles are submerged. Just going to pop the bubbles. So keep an eye on them because the bubbles are going to keep appearing. Finally got these chubby ones submerged. In fact, this one could do with a tiny bit more. This one really was a humpback. Okay, so we'll come back when those are dry and see how they got on. Hi everyone, back again, and the turtle trinket trays are finished. They are absolutely adorable, good for earrings or good for cufflinks. You could give one to the man in your life, not just for women. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next vid. Bye.